In this video, I will show you how to add folder in GitHub repository. So to get started, go ahead and open GitHub on your device. Now head over into that repository to where you want to add a folder to, and then click on this add file button and then click on create a new file under that. So that will redirect you into this section. So in here, you just need to go ahead and enter the folder name first and then enter slash. So for example, I want to name this as my folder. So I'll simply name that as my folder and then click on slash, and then I'll be able to create a file inside this folder. So simply create a file inside the folder, then click on this commit changes button at the top right to be able to create this new folder along with the file inside it. Confirm committing changes, and then that's how you can basically add folder in GitHub repository.